I think wherever there's a person replaced with a machine, there will be some kind of an interaction variations. Having said that, AI in healthcare actually can make a huge difference to the humanity by enabling high quality healthcare for everyone, haves and have nots, developing and countries wise or villages and urban areas and so on. I strongly believe in this concept or proposition of AI bridging the healthcare divide that exists between these two big communities, right? Economic or geographically located, and so on and so forth. The reason being this, right? In a village scenario or developing country scenario, we don't have much skills. The skills with respect to screening for any particular disease or having, like we know that one doctor serves 1,000 families in rural India, for example, right? So when there is so much shortage of skills, artificially intelligent bots or healthcare workers who are given these AI tools can perform to a skill level which is much higher than what their actual skill levels are. So these tools can act as robotic doctors, if you will, to identify the right kind of people at the right time who require the right attention. That is, for example, if it is breast cancer, identify those women who need an immediate attention and bring them to the hospital. So you could screen 1,000 people and get those less than 20 people to bring to the hospital. So this is one way AI can help in saving lives in general, right? And particularly in healthcare, it becomes really useful. On the other hand, in the urban scenario also, it is very helpful because we have doctors and right? Many hospitals and expert doctors are flocked with patients. You don't get an appointment with them for weeks together, right?
True.
So those are the people who need some time to have their tea and coffee as well. So that is where you can use AI tools, which can help prioritize the high-risk patients for them. People who are pretty much looking normal in their imaging or any of those can be easily triaged even in urban setting, so that people who require attention are brought to the right expert again, rather than only normal patients unnecessarily using up the expert's time. So there's a productivity increase on the urban side, and there is quality of healthcare increased on the rural and developing world side, which AI can enable actually.
Okay,